We're looking at mental disorder from a philosophical perspective.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream.
Goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, it have advantages. One is precognition, premonition. Situational irony is a male crying. Situational irony too is this
sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
It's to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art in a two-dimensional surface or canvas.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
What determines momentum, what determines sarcasm, condescension, and all these sort of devices. Rhetorical devices is the power of persuasion. Things like irony.